What are the factors that are affecting productivity? Right? This question is asked by everybody. What are the factors affecting productivity? So today, I'll be covering in this video 15 factors which are affecting our productivity. Fine? I am KC Parameshwaran, Visishta Seva Medal and a productivity coach. Let us start with the point number 1. First is procrastination. If we procrastinate, we are not going to be productive. So we need to quit procrastination, right? Once we quit procrastination, we will definitely achieve productivity. So first point is to remove procrastination. Point number 2, not having goals. If you have goals, if you have a set goal, you know next day what you need to do. You can write down the plan for the next day in the previous night itself, so that your subconscious mind works on the plan and next day morning you are ready to do that task. So if you have a goal, you plan for the next day and next day morning you are ready to work, by then you are quitting procrastination. Fine. So having goals is important. Number 3, focus. So you need to have a focus on the task what you're doing. We should not get distracted. So to improve our focus or concentration, we need to do meditation. So meditation is the best way to improve our focus. Fine. Now coming to point number 4, no time management. We should know where is our time going. The lost time never comes back. So we should plan our tasks, and the time management should be very, very, very clear. Use a Google Calendar and put every task in Google Calendar so that you can manage your time very nicely, right? So time management is very important. 5, smartphone distractions. More than 4 to 6 hours we spend on smartphones, so we get distracted, and because of that we lose our time. So smartphone should be kept on aeroplane mode when you are working, and keep your notifications off except for your Google Calendar and your bank. Rest all of notifications should be off, right? So please keep your away from the smartphones like Instagram, Reels. It is not going to help you in any way. Like cluttered environment. The place where you're working, it is cluttered. You should declutter your mind and the physical space. If you declutter your mind and physical space, then you will become more productive. Okay, your drawers, your wardrobes, your house, what are the things lying here and there, your office, what are the things lying here and in a haphazard way. Keep everything neat and clean so that you don't get cluttered seeing that in the morning. So cluttered environment reduces the productivity. Fine. No morning routines, no exercise in the morning, no meditation, no writing affirmations, not writing gratitude. So the morning routines, if you don't have, you will not have energy, right? So your health will go down. Fine. So morning routines is very important for your productivity. Coming to next point is bad health. Bad health, why? You don't have exercise, you don't do exercise, you don't do yoga, you don't do anything. That's why you are bad health. So to get a good health, do meditation, do yoga, do a hard exercise. Fine. Coming to the next point, that is 9th point, is low energy. Low energy is because when you do all the morning routines, automatically your energy will go high and you will become very, very, very productive. Fine. Number 10, negative attitude. Whatever you see, whatever task you have, you say that this I cannot do. This is not my cup of tea. It is very difficult. It is a confusing task. It is very tough task, and you procrastinate. So negative attitude should be changed into positive attitude by writing positive affirmations. Write at least 10 positive affirmations in your goal book every day so that you become positive, right? Point number 11, not having plans. If you have a goal, then definitely you should have plans. Have a goal, then plan. Plan for your day, plan for your week, plan for your month, plan for your quarterly, plan for your half-yearly, and plan for your yearly. Once you have a plan, everything will go perfect and you will become productive. Put all your plan into the Google Calendar and put notifications in that so that it will keep reminding you half an hour before the task. Very good. Next is prioritizing. Once you have the plan, Now you need to prioritize, which is most important, which is urgent. That task you have to put in the top priority. So prioritization is very important, right? Coming to 13, not taking action. You have done everything, you have made a goal, you have a goal, you have a plan, you have prioritized it. Now everything is in front of you. But if you don't take action, you are not going to be productive. So taking action is important. Now, skills. To take action, you require skills. If you don't have a learning capability, you don't spend money on learning your skills. You need to learn skills. Learn skills, then you can take action. Okay. Coming to the last but not the least, 15th point is no decisions. You are not taking proper decision. Take proper decisions on each task what you're going to do and execute it. Right? So these are the things which is very much required to improve your productivity. If you have liked this video, please click the like button, share it to your friends, comment in the chat box, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you get more notifications when I post more videos. Fine. And if you are interested in procrastination, productivity, mindset, focus, topics or content, you can join my upcoming webinar by clicking the link below. Thank you and have a nice day.